Brian Diamante. Sa inyong lahat, siyempre, special mention sa aking minamahal na mga taga-Pasay at sa inyo pong lahat na dapat kong pinaglilingkuran. Good evening, everyone!
Sana po
The wait is finally over! After more than a decade, we are truly excited, motivated, and inspired to welcome back the most anticipated night of fashion, entertainment, advocacies, and drag artistry, White Party Reignite, at the heart of our humble home, Pasay City. Inclusivity, diversity, and expression. This is merely the beginning of a future that is bursting with potential in honor of our LGBTQIA+ community. Right, everyone. Thank you and enjoy the night.
Became a legacy. For years, a fire was left burning. Though the flame grew quiet, its embers never faded. Tonight, we reignite what brought us here. All colors, all stories, all equal. All together as one. This is White Party Manila 2026. Reignite!
Welcome home. Tonight, we arrive from different places, with different stories, different colors, different hearts. But under this light, we begin as one. The city is breathing, the night is awake.
They said that love like ours needed a space of its own. So we built a place where no one stands alone. Where music was loud enough to silence the world outside. And light was bright enough so that nobody had to hide. Each and every single one shows up exactly as they are. Never question, never too much, never too far. Decades have come, decades have gone. We have come so far, but the road is never done. Some voices still tremble, some hearts still break. Some people still search for a space that feels safe. So tonight, we return with love as our guide. From the quietest embers, we rise and stand side by side. All colors, all stories, all equal. We are united in white. Welcome to White Party Manila 2026 Reignite!
Maraming salamat for having us. Thank you so much. Sana mag-enjoy kayo ngayong gabi. Isang awiting galing Maynila. Ang awitin natin dito sa inyo. Let's go!
Kahit sa pagdating ko ay
Isa! Isa pa! Mahina. Isa pa! Hindi ko madinig eh. Isa pa! Teka muna, nandito ba kayo para makikanta? Para makisaya? Dito mo pala, let's go! Ay, Manalo! Ayos na! Isa pa! After ko mag-record ng aking second album, mga around 2006, akala ko hindi na ako makakapag-record ulit ng mga kanta. So nag-decide ako bumalik ng school. So nahihiya ako sa magulang ko, hindi ko tinapos yung school ko. So nag-enroll ako ng nursing. Around 2010, nag-graduate ako. Noong mga time na nag-duty kami sa mga public hospitals, nakita ko kung gaano kahirap ang buhay ng marami sa mga kababayan natin. At dahil dyan, ako nakasulat ng isang awitin na malamang inadinig na ninyo. Let's go! Ayos na! Isa pa! Hindi namin alam kung trip nyo to. Bahala na. Let's go.
dito na si Clock 9, wala na natin dito. Pagbabaksakan dito.
Isa pa! Isa pang tanong! May pasok ba kayo bukas? May trabaho ba kayo bukas? Yun ba pala, let's go!
Simula sa pinakataas sa katawan ng isa.
Ayos na! Isa pa! Isang awitin na ang tanging laman ay respeto at pangunawa sa kahit na sino tao. Mayaman o mahirap, naligo o hindi, mabaho o mabango, maitim o maputi, matangos o pangong ilong, pangit o maganda, pangit o pogi, babae, lalaki, bakla o tomboy, pantay-pantay na tayo. Isa pa, wala kayong pakialam kung gusto kong gumanakatang-atay na lang, Serena! Isa pa? Ha? Teka lang. Isang awitin na lagi kong kinakanta kahit saan kami pumunta. Kahit malayo, kahit malapit, kahit madami yung tao, kahit konti lang yung tao, lagi ko itong kinakanta dahil ito ang aking paraan upang makapagpasalamat. White Party Manila. Alam ko na tayo may mga pinagdaraanan bawat isa sa atin. Pwedeng sa sarili natin o pwedeng para sa mahal natin o kahit na kung ano mas sitwasyon mo sa buhay. Pero ngayong gabi, White Party Manila, request lang ako sa inyo, gamit ang ilaw ng inyong mga cellphones. Gamitin natin itong simbolo ng pag-asa. At ngayong gabi, katulad ng mga bituin sa langit, sabay-sabay natin abutin ang ating mga pangarap. White Party Manila, let's go!
Wow, you know what? One of the things I love most about his music is that it reminds us that no one gets through life alone. Every story needs people who listen. Every dream needs people who believe. And every community needs people who choose to stand beside it. And tonight, as we celebrate pride, visibility, and belonging, we also recognize the individuals and allies who continue to help create safer, more inclusive spaces for our beloved community. Because progress does not happen overnight. It happens when people choose to show up, speak up, and stand up for one another. And to give us more background and help us present the awards, bigyan natin ng isang bonggang-bonggang palakpakan ang isa sa mga ina ng ating komunidad, ang ating mahal na si Mama John Ann Sweet Lapos!
Magandang gabi mga anak, mga sister, mga kumare, at sa mga tulad kong ina. Grabe, 12 years ago na pala yung huli sa Greenfields District, matawag ko sa lugar na yon. That was the last time. Na-miss ko kayo mga anak, putang ina. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. Tonight, we are not just dressed in white. We are gathered in light, light from our community, light from our stories, light from every bakla, tomboy, trans, queer, non-binary, questioning, proud, loud, quiet, healing, fighting, surviving, and thriving person in this room. It's not just saying, I love my LGBTQIA+ friends. Love is beautiful, yes, but love must have legs. Love must show up. Love must vote, speak, build, protect, defend, include, ito importante, hire, listen, learn, and sometimes step back so others can step forward. Tonight, efforts like the right to care are so important. Because care is not a privilege reserved for the legally recognized. Care is human. Love is human. Partnership is human. And the right to be there for the person you love, especially in moments of fear and vulnerability, should never be denied because of who you are or who you love. Our awardees have helped build a culture where inclusivity is not a decoration, equality is not a slogan, diversity is not just a campaign theme. They have created an atmosphere where people can enter a room and feel, I belong here, I am respected here, I am safe here, I can be myself here. And you know that matters because many of us grew up in learning how to edit ourselves. We edited our voices, our clothes, our gestures, our dreams. Some of us learned to laugh before others could laugh at us. Some of us learned to hide love in public and cry in private. Some of us became strong because we have no choice. Let us all honor the allies who did not just say we support, they proved it. Ladies and gentlemen, mga anak, mga kapatid, mga kumare at mga kapwa ko ina, let us give applause to this year's White Party Manila Outstanding Allies of the Year.
The White Party Manila Outstanding Ally of the Year is awarded to the public servants in recognition of their outstanding dedication, inclusivity, and unwavering support to the LGBTQIA+ community and fostering a safe and welcoming environment. Our first honoree this evening is a leader who has consistently championed inclusion and equality, and whose administration has supported initiatives that help create a more welcoming and affirming city for everyone. Quezon City has been recognized for programs that advance LGBTQIA+ inclusion, including the Right to Care Card Initiative and continued support for LGBTQIA+ representation and participation in local governance. Accepting the award on behalf of our honoree, Mayor of Quezon City, the Honorable Mayor Maria Josefina Joy Belmonte, please welcome on stage Quezon City Councilors, Honorable Wency Lagumbay and Honorable Tubet Likigan.
Our first outstanding ally of the year, City of Quezon City Mayor Joy Belmonte. Represented by Councilor Wency Lagumbay. Ayan, ikaw na bahala. And of course, I assume nagbigay ng message si Mayor Joy.
Yes. Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Muli, I am Councilor Christopher Tupet Likigan and I am here with Councilor Wency Lagumbay and let us share with you the message of our beloved Mayor, Mayor Joy Belmonte. Good evening and happy Pride, mga beshi. Before anything else, we would like to congratulate Mentor Productions, Love Yourself Philippines, our partners, and everyone behind White Party Manila for bringing this iconic celebration back after 12 years. It is an honor to celebrate the return of this event with all of you tonight. This event coincides with our Lavlaban Pride Festival in UP Diliman, as we all know, but Mayor Joy made sure that I, Consi Tupe and Consi Wency, will be here with you because we would like to experience the party you are very known for. You know how to rally, but you also know how to party. Tonight, on behalf of our Mayor, Mayor Joy Belmonte, and the rest of the Q citizens, we humbly accept this recognition as Ally of the Year in the public sector. May espesyal na lugar ito.
Si Yormet, nagtayo ng Bekshin ng Maynila. Grupo ng lahat ng councilors at barangay captain na miyembro ng LGBT. Kaya mahal na mahal ko kaibigan ko ito. Yormet, congratulations please.
I love you. Shout out mga Beksi ng Maynila! Mag-ingay! Para sa inyo to, and always feel welcome in the city of Manila. Manila is your home. I love you too. Mag-iingat kayo. Enjoy the night.
Thank you. A round of applause. Yormet! Ladies and gentlemen, our four outstanding ally of the year 2026!
We request all of White Party Manila Outstanding Allies of the Year to take a group photo.
Tayo lang ang nakakaalam. Martin Del Rosario and Miss Yayo Aguila. Together with Miss Christine Camille Sulik, the producer, Adam Dumagi, the cinematographer, and the director, Direk David Corpus. Magandang gabi po sa inyo! Happy Pride! Batiin nyo muna sila ng Happy Pride!
Magandang gabi everyone! Happy Pride!
Eto nga, may bago daw kayong pelikula! Miss Yayo! Can you tell us something about this new movie?
Good evening, everyone. Happy Pride. Thank you for giving us the space here at White Party Manila. I am David Corpus, the director of Tayo Lang Ang invite everyone to watch our film. Tayo lang ang nakakaalam, an official entry to the Cinemalaya Independent Film Festival.
Wow!
And tayo lang ang nakakaalam is a film about love, family, memory, and the quiet ways we care for one another even if the world doesn't seem to care. So here with me are the cast of our film, Martin Del Rosario and Miss Yayo Avila. And also part of the cast are Miguel Odron and Mr. Epi Quizon. We would also like to acknowledge Love Yourself PH, who is a proud co-producer of the film. So I hope that you'll join us when tayo lang nakakaalam opens at Cinemalaya on August 6 to 18. Okay, Martin.
Ibo. Happy Pride!
Ang guwapo ni Martin! Diyos ko, Lord!
Ayun po, ang aming pelikula, tayo lang nakakaalam, ay sa queer love story. So sa lahat po ng LGBT sa mga allies, para sa akin po ang pelikula to. Kaya sana po supportan niyo ang aming film. This coming August 6 to August 18 as part of Cinemalaya 2026.
Kasama po namin dito again si Epi Quizon at saka si Miguel Odron. At ito ay sa panulat ng aming director na si David Corpus. Panoorin po.
Hoy, supportahan natin ang mga independent films, lalong-lalo na ang mga pelikula ng Cinemalaya. Maraming salamat po sa inyo! Happy Pride! Happy Pride! Thank you very much, Miss Yayo Aguila, Martin Del Rosario, Direk David Corpus, Miss Christine Camille Sulit, and Mr. Adam Dumagin! So, syempre, after ng kwento,
What's up, White Party Manila? Okay ba kayo dyan? Okay tayong lahat ng magingay! Alright! So again, we are Ben and Ben. And tonight we're gonna sing a couple of songs for you. Most of them are love songs. And this next one ay para sa lahat ng nag-reimagine ng kanilang nakaraan. This song is called Lifetime.
wow, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up once again for Ben and Ben! Grabe ah! For one extraordinary showcase. Because fashion, much like pride, is about identity, expression, and having the courage to show exactly who you are. Tama? Oh, hindi pa sila lasing. And tonight, under the creative direction of Bang Pineda, a remarkable group of Filipino designers come together to present a collection inspired by community, individuality, and the spirit of White Party Manila. Joining this year's showcase are Neric Beltran, Job Dacon, Manny Soriano, Jobs Estrella, Ulcer Lumawag, Franco Salvatore, Jamie Olinan, and Ry Martin. Because behind everything tonight is a much greater purpose. White Party Manila was born from advocacy and from the belief that celebration can create change. And tonight, because of every single one of you, we've proven that once again. So, may I request again, Meme Vice Ganda, to please join us on stage for this very special moment. Grabe yung fashion show, di ba? At 1:30 in the morning, ang saya-saya. Buhay pa ba kayo? Yay! That's the energy we want. White Party Manila, we are going to party until the wee hours of the morning. Again, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome back on stage Asia's unforgettable box office superstar, Meme Vice Ganda! Meme, happy Pride! Would you like to say something? Bati ka lang.
Happy Pride, Bandang people! Happy Pride sa lahat ng malaya, sa lahat ng mga nag-aantay pang lumaya, sa lahat ng mga hindi pa pinapalaya pero nagdadasal ng makalaya na. Happy Pride sa ating lahat. Happy Pride sa lahat ng members ng LGBTQIA+ community! Sa lahat ng mga nagmamahal sa LGBTQIA+ community, sa lahat ng mga kamag-anak, pamilya, magulang, kapatid at kaibigan ng ating komunidad, binabati ko kayo lahat. Happy Pride sa ating lahat.
Maraming salamat, Meme Vice Ganda. At ito po ang announcement namin. Through your generosity and support, we have raised a total of 700,000 pesos. At idodonate po natin yan sa Love Yourself! Yay! And because every act of kindness deserves to go even further, our friends from Mentor Incorporated have decided to make tonight even more meaningful. They are officially increasing that amount to 1 million pesos! Napakahusay! And at this point, may we invite our partner from Love Yourself to please join us on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Doc Vin! Doc Vin! Palong-palo naman yung Love Yourself! And it is only fitting that this check be presented by someone who has continuously used her voice, her platform, and her heart to uplift the community. As one of this year's White Party Manila Volunteer Ambassadors and our beloved Meme ng White Party Manila, Vice Ganda presents this donation to Love Yourself. Picture, picture! We have a moment for this photo opportunity, for this momentous event. Thank you very much. Congratulations. And thank you for the life-changing work that Love Yourself continues to do the poor community. Bati ka naman, Doc Vic.
Hello, White Party Manila! Maraming salamat po, and always remember to stay safe, get yourself tested, visit any of our Love Yourself centers all over the Philippines. 75 na po sila. Sa mga tao pong takot, meron na rin po kaming virtual clinic. Lahat po ng services natin libre. Mabuhay ang mga bakla! Let's claim the word bakla and tomboy. Dati derogatory sila, ngayon, it's empowering. Pag bakla ka, magaling ka, matalino, and you deserve everything.
Maraming salamat, mga bakla! Thank you so much sa lahat ng tulong ninyo. Thank you, Doc Vin, and our beloved Meme. Maraming salamat para sa presence mo. Thank you for helping us present our donation. Grabe! 1 milyong piso! Palakpakan naman natin ang White Party Manila! Ating ating buong sangkabaklaan, Miss Marian Rivera. At hindi mawawala ang ating Diyosa, Ann Curtis. And for this year's White Party Manila Gay Icon, siguradong tayong nagawa nilang lahat yan. They are literally woven into the Filipino pop culture, from barangay fiestas to comedy bars and to different performances. Talaga namang tumatak sila sa bawat Pinoy. And for so many Filipinos, especially within the LGBTQIA+ community, they've always represented joy, confidence, and unapologetic fun. And so, ladies and gentlemen, mga mahal, it is my honor to present the White Party Manila 2026 Gay Icon of the Year, literal na mapapa get out! Gay Icon of the Year, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give it up once again for the Sex Bomb Girls! O diba, aminin natin, hindi lang po sila soundtrack ng kabataan natin. Soundtrack din sila ng maraming pride celebrations, pageants, comedy bars at kahit mga simpleng celebration or inuman with friends. Isang line pa lang ng kanta, alam na agad yung steps natin, di ba? That's why the White Party Manila Gay Icon of the Year isn't just simply about popularity. It's about impact and bringing generations together through music, art, and self-expression. Sex Bomb Girls, please join us in the middle of the stage. So tonight, we proudly present the White Party Manila 2026 Gay Icon of the Year Award to Sex Bomb Girls! Yay! Ate Rochelle, bati ka naman!
Magandang gabi po sa lahat na nandito na pinalaki ng Sex Bomb!
Happy Pride sa inyo!
Happy Pride!
Anong feeling gay icon na kayo?
Sa wakas!
It's about time, di ba, ate?
Yes. Ang dami sa amin nagsasabi na pinalaki daw namin sila. At kami ang dahilan. Joke lang.
Di ba? Kaya mga naging bakla. I love it. Oo. Thank you again.
And isang karangalan na bigyan niyo po kami ng ganitong klaseng parangal. Ang Gay Icon of the Year dito po sa White Party. Maraming salamat po. Kung kailan kami nagbalik, tsaka nyo kami in-award. Ang tagal na namin nasa industriya. Pero ganun pa man, dumarating to in God's perfect timing. At ito ang tamang panahon for that. Maraming salamat po.
Yay! Palakpakan natin once again, Sex Bomb Girls! For their unwavering support and being an ally of our community. Mahal na mahal namin kayo. Thank you po! And congratulations sa pa-world tour, ha?
Yeah.
Thank you po!
Thank you, White Party.
Yes, thank you so much po sa lahat ng pinalaki ng Sex Bomb dito. At may idagdag ko lang po sa lahat na naging bakla dahil sa amin. Kayo po ay inspirasyon ng Sex Bomb. Without you, walang Sex Bomb. Thank you so much.
Yay! Thank you po! Thank you, Sex Bomb Girls! Diba? Walang mga bakla pag walang sex bomb. Ganon. And you know, moments like this reminds us what Pride is really about. Showing up for one another and creating spaces where every person is free to shine. And speaking of shining,
Kasi alam mo, matagal na yung huling beses na ginawa yung White Party.